MLA, Mr. Nehru Ulekar. What Mr. Ulekar is saying? Mr. Ulekar is saying that Bomai is 40% commission agent. This is not Congress term. BJP governor in Delhi is saying Modi does not hate corruption. The BJP MLA in Karnataka, Mr. Ulekar, is saying that Bomai is 40% commission agent. And not only this, he is saying that Chief Minister Bomai looted 1500 crore rupees, 1500 crore rupees. This is not Congress allegation. This is their own MLA who was working with them, who was a part of government, who was the ex-chairman of the SC/ST commission. He is telling that in drip irrigation project, Bomai Saab had looted 1500 crore rupees. He is saying that Mr. Bomai had misused his official capacity as chief minister and looted 1500 crore in Shigam sprinkler irrigation scheme. Not only this, he is saying that after this irrigation scheme, not a single drop farmers got the benefit of water. 1500 crore was gone and farmers had not received a irrigation facility of single drop. This is also not Congress allegation. The BJP MLA who was the part of that. Then he is not stopped here. He is saying that Chief Minister Bomai misused his capacity for financial benefit and unlawful gain, specifically in sprinkle and drip irrigation project. He alleged that Bomai is 40% commission agent. Now, before the election, BJP Karyakarta is saying that Bomai is 40% commission sarkar. Bomai Hisab himself is 40% commission agent. He himself is giving a figure that 1500 crore rupees of Kannadigas were looted by Mr. Bomai only in the sprinkler irrigation project. We have very specific 3 questions and very important 3 questions, friends. Question number 1, why Chief Minister and BJP is mum? Why they are silent? Are they giving their silent acceptance to this? Why no defamatory case is not filed against their own MLA? Because they fear that Mr. Ulekar will provide further more evidence on this 40% commission agent, what he termed for Mr. Bomai. Is Mr. Bomai is having a fear that if he is going to file a defamatory case, he will give further evidences of 15 crore rupees of corruption? Is this the reason why they are observing a silent or why they are giving silent acceptance? Even a single tweet is made by someone, the Assam police from Kokrajhar district comes and arrests the person. Why the Assam police is not here till now? Why no defamatory case is filed till now? Why Chief Minister Bomai, who is termed by their own MLA as 40% commission agent, had not filed a defamatory case? Why they are mum and silent on this? Question number 1. Question number 2, very important. Why ED, CBI, Income Tax, DRI, SFIO, local police had not taken any cognizance of this matter, and why the investigation had not been started? Why Mr. Bomai is not called by ED or by CBI or by Income Tax? That your own party man who was part of you in the government is telling that you had looted 1500 crore rupees of Kannadigas. After your irrigation project, not a single drop of irrigation facility was there. So we demand that ED, CBI, Income Tax, SFIO, DRI, local police, please come out of your slumber. Please open your eyes and take cognizance of this particular matter. Question number 3, and that is a big demand, and for that we had already submitted our application or our request note. Why Election Commission of the state is not taking cognizance of this matter? Because 1500 crore rupees of corruption which was alleged by BJP MLA for Mr. Bomai, that can damage the sanctity of the election process in the state of Karnataka. And we had filed one complaint to the Election Commission, which was duly received by Election Commission, that this 1500 crore rupees is not a small amount. That can affect the entire election process. Election Commission should immediately take cognizance, should immediately ask the police, local police, to investigate this matter and start the inquiry, because this is not the small thing. This is not coming from the opposition party. This issue is coming by BJP own MLAs. So we demand that Election Commission, because we had a full belief on Election Commission true and fairness. So we expect that by today evening, Mr. Bomai will be called by the local police, that there is a clear cut, your own government, the person who is part of your government is saying that you had looted 1500 crore. Where is that money? And whether you had looted or not. So we demand full investigation on this issue.